Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to log out of Heyday. First of all, launch the Heyday app open on your device. Once it loads into your farm, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal bars at the top left corner. Now click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on the Connected button right next to Supercell ID. Now click on the gear button at the top and then scroll down until you find the Logout button. Tap on Logout and click on the Logout button once again. If you want to easily switch back in to the account, you can tap on Remember Me on this device. If not, leave it unchecked and you'll need to log in again with your email. Finally, tap the Logout button and you have been signed out of your Heyday account. You can log in with your Supercell ID if you ever want to get back to the game, or you can also play without any Supercell ID. And that's how you can super quickly and easily log out of Heyday on your smartphone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like or share it with your friends who's stuck too. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.